Pakistan once again came out victorious against a treacherous enemy marked by strategic blindness and naivety and filled with hubris and rhetoric about its misguided hegemonic ambitions. India's eagerness to adjudge culpability, evasion of neutral investigations, and staging self-created evidence was indicative of politicization of terrorism for vested interests of the ruling regime. Pakistan, on the other hand, gained deep respect and admiration of the people of Pakistan and international community because of the legitimacy and clear victory against a numerically superior adversary. Internally, it has further unified our nation and strengthened our resolve to defend against any threat, whether external or internal.